Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm going to show you how to make an optical illusion for kids with a ruler. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a cube, and this cube is going to float in space so that you don't really understand what the dimensions are in relation to yourself. So we are going to start by making a 4-inch square with our ruler, which helps us measure what 4 inches is. It's great. All right, so 4-inch square all around. And then when we're done with this square, we're going to make another square sort of diagonally offset from this first square. And it's going to be the same dimensions. It's going to be 4 inches, which also, when this is the same dimension as the first square, it throws off the perspective, because in reality, your second square would either be smaller or larger than the first square as it comes closer to you or further away from you in space. But because there's no signifier of perspective, you don't really know which direction it's going. So now that we have these two squares, what we're going to do is connect the corners to form a cube. And hopefully your marker will be nicer to you than mine is being to me. All right, and now we've got a cube that floats in space and doesn't make a great deal of sense as far as where it exists in relationship to yourself, though it does make sense as a 3D object in general. Is this side closer to you? Is this side closer to you? Is this side closer to you? Is this one? Who knows? That's the illusion of it. It's great. So that's how you make an optical illusion for kids with a ruler. I'm Laura. Thanks for watching.